Hello and welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're excited to share our passion for beautiful decor and creative lighting ideas using wood. If you love transforming your space with natural, rustic, and elegant touches, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, share our videos with friends, and hit the like button if you enjoy our content. Thanks for being part of our creative community. Rustic wooden pendant lights are a timeless decor element that adds warmth and charm to any space. Crafted from reclaimed or natural wood, these lights can be customized in various shapes and sizes to suit different interior styles. For a cozy living room or bedroom, hang a large, handcrafted wooden pendant with intricate carvings or a simple, smooth finish. Pair it with warm-toned bulbs to enhance the natural texture of the wood. Such lights not only illuminate your space, but also serve as a focal point, creating a welcoming atmosphere. You can also experiment with different wood tones, from light pine to dark walnut, to match your decor theme. Installing these pendant lights is straightforward, and they can be DIY made with basic woodworking tools, making them an affordable yet elegant wall sconces made from wood are perfect for adding ambient lighting to hallways, bedrooms, or living areas. These fixtures can be designed with a rustic or modern aesthetic, depending on your preference. Use polished or distressed wood to create a warm glow that complements your decor. Incorporate LED strips or candle-like bulbs behind wooden panels to achieve a soft, diffused light. Wooden wall sconces also work well in outdoor patios or garden areas when weatherproofed. They can be customized with decorative carvings, painted accents, or minimalist designs for a sleek look. Installing wooden sconces is a simple way to add layers of lighting and elevate your interior decor. A wooden chandelier can serve as a stunning centerpiece in dining rooms or high-ceiling living spaces. Crafted from interwoven branches, polished wood, or driftwood, chandeliers bring a rustic yet sophisticated vibe. They can be designed with multiple bulbs or candles to create a dramatic lighting effect. Incorporate natural elements like twine, beads, or greenery for a bohemian touch. Such chandeliers not only provide functional lighting but also add artistic value to your decor. DIY kits are available, or you can commission a custom piece from a wood artisan. The key is to balance the natural textures with your overall interior theme for a harmonious look. Table lamps made from wood are versatile decor pieces that provide task lighting and aesthetic appeal. Choose a sleek wooden base paired with a simple lampshade for a modern look, or go for a more rustic design with carved or distressed wood. Incorporate LED technology for energy efficiency and adjustable brightness. Wooden table lamps are ideal for bedside tables, coffee tables, or study desks. They add a cozy, natural element to your space and can be customized in various shapes and sizes. Experiment with different wood grains and finishes to match your decor style. These lamps are easy to DIY or purchase from craft stores, making them an accessible decor upgrade. Create enchanting atmospheres with wooden lanterns or holders for fairy lights. Carved or assembled from small wooden blocks, these holders can be placed indoors or outdoors. Wrap fairy lights around the wooden structures to produce a magical glow perfect for parties, romantic dinners, or cozy nights. You can also make lanterns with cut-out patterns that cast beautiful shadows on walls. Use reclaimed wood for a sustainable choice or painted wood for a colorful touch. These handcrafted pieces add a whimsical touch to your decor and are simple to make with basic woodworking skills. They are ideal for creating warm, inviting spaces with a touch of rustic charm. Floating wooden shelves with integrated lighting are stylish and functional decor elements. Install LED strips or small spotlights beneath the shelves to highlight artwork, plants, or decorative objects. The wooden shelves can be crafted from reclaimed wood or smooth finished planks to suit your style. Use them in living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens for a layered lighting effect. The combination of natural wood and light creates a cozy, modern ambience. These shelves can also serve as display units for cherished collectibles, adding both utility and aesthetic appeal to your decor. For a cozy, romantic vibe, wooden candle holders with LED lights are a perfect choice. Carve or assemble small wooden blocks into holders that fit tea lights or pillar candles. Replace traditional candles with flameless LED candles for safety and longevity. Place these holders on dining tables, mantels, or side tables to create a warm, inviting ambience. The natural wood texture combined with soft lighting enhances the rustic or vintage decor style. Personalize your candle holders with carvings, paint, or natural finishes to match your decor theme. Lighted wooden boxes or signage are excellent for personalized decor and functional lighting. Use LED strips or bulbs inside carved or assembled wooden frames to display inspirational quotes, names, or artwork. These light boxes work well in entryways, bedrooms, or outdoor patios. They add a modern yet rustic touch to your decor and can be customized with different fonts and designs. Using reclaimed wood for the frames adds an eco-friendly aspect to your project. These DIY projects are simple to make and can be great personalized gifts as well. Create unique lampshades from wooden slats, twigs, or carved wood pieces. These shades diffuse light beautifully and add a rustic, natural feel to your lighting fixtures. Attach thin wooden strips to a circular frame or arrange small wooden pieces in an overlapping pattern. When paired with warm bulbs, they cast lovely patterns and shadows. DIY wooden lampshades are perfect for pendant lights, table lamps, or floor lamps. They are customizable in size and shape, allowing you to match your decor style perfectly. Making your own shades also adds a personal touch. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest craft and decor ideas. Share this video with your friends and family who love DIY and interior decorating. And if you liked the content, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us grow and bring you even more inspiring videos. Thanks again for your support, and stay tuned for more creative inspiration on Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub.